Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today on Wednesday, January the 22nd, 2020. We have not only one Sudoku, but we have three Sudokus. A binary Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, and a killer Sudoku. But we will start with this binary Sudoku first. So let's get started. Alright, I see here a double O. So here one, there one. Here double O, 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 here one, there one. Then we have a double one, here an O, there an O. Here we have a double one, here an O, there an O. Here we have a double one, here an O, there an O. Then between two ones comes an O. 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 Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. We have a double one, here an O, there an O. We have a double O, here and 1, there and 1. We have a double O, here and 1, there and 1. We have a double O, here and 1, there and 1. And then between two O's comes an 1. Then double one, here and O, there and O. Here we have 4 ones. If I put the fifth and final one of this row here, then we have 3 O's. Not allowed. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Double 1, here and O, there and O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. Let me think. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4 ones in this column. If I put the fifth one here, then we have 3 O's in a row. Not allowed, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. If I put the fifth O here, then we have 3 ones in a row. Not allowed. So this cannot be an O. This should be in a 1. Yeah, and 1. So double 1, here and O, there and O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the rest are O's. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here and O, there and O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. Double 1, here and O, there and O. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this must be the fifth O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones. If I put the one here or there, then we have 3 O's, not allowed. So this cannot be in 1 here. This should be an O, O here and O there. Double O here and 1 there and 1. Double 1 here and O there and O. Double O here and 1 there and 1. Double O here and 1 there and 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1 here and O there and O. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I put the fifth O here, then we have 3 ones here. So not allowed. So this cannot be an O. This should be in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the rest are O's. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Alright. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I'm missing something. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's here. If I put the fifth one here, then we have 4 ones in a row. Not allowed, so this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Double 1 here and O, there and O. Double O here and 1, there and 1. Double 1 here and O, there and O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O here and 1, there and 1. Double 1 here and O, there and O. Double O here and 1, there and 1. Double 1 here and O, there and O. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here and 1, there and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. Double 1 here and O, there and O. Double O here and 1, there and 1. Double 1 here and O, there and O. And then finally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so the rest are 1. So we finished this in 8 minutes. Alright people, if you like it, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also subscribe if you like or if you want. Otherwise download the PDF file so you can make it by yourself. Otherwise, thank you for watching and see you the next time with the medium Sudoku. Bye bye.